Hello, my kids from 3rd grade A and 3rd grade B. How are you today? This is your teacher, Mrs. Erika Costa from Escuela Bilingüe Honduras. I hope everyone is enjoying at home. Today we continue working in our science class. Please open your book to page 384 and 385. Properties matter. You can separate a mixture using its properties. Active reading. Okay, listen carefully to the instruction. As you read this page, draw 2 lines under the main idea. Okay? I want everyone reading this page and find the main idea. Okay? Okay. The main idea is because making a mixture is a physical change, you can separate a mixture using the physical properties of its parts. Yes, I know it's long, but you have to underline, okay? Use your red color or use a pencil. Okay? Continue reading. Who wants to read? Okay, I'm gonna read. The firefighter's boat and the rescue ring float. Okay, you see? Both are floating. Yes, that is a physical property. You can use it to separate some mixtures. Just add water and a scoop of the objects that float, okay? If you have a pool and you put a ball, a special ball, the ball will float. Okay, the ball is going to float, okay? If you put little things or big things, but if they are not heavy, they will float on the water, okay? So in this part, remember, so the man is straining, colando, okay? He's straining sand, or what do you see there? Okay, in the picture number 2 or the second picture, what do you see? I see a magnet that picks up matter that contains iron. This giant magnet separates iron from plastic and other materials in a junk jar. Okay? That is a big magnet. And what is this big magnet doing? Is separating the iron from plastic and other materials in a junk jar. Okay? In the next picture, as the sun hits this saltwater lake, the water evaporates and the salt is left behind. And the salt in the water have been separated. Okay? You see? The water goes back, but the water left salt on the shore, okay? Then people come and take all the salt that is on the shore, okay? La gente llega y agarra toda la sal que queda en las orillas, okay? Now let's answer to this question. Take it apart. How could you separate each of the mixtures below? What do you have here? Okay, we have clips and little balls. What do we need to separate them? If you see the second example, they are using a magnet. So we are going to use a magnet. Use a magnet. In the second, what we are going to do? Okay. So in the second pictures, what we are going to do? Okay. We are going to put a bowl of water, and you will put all these things in a bowl of water, okay? And some of them will float and the other will go down. Yes, they will go down in the container. And what do we have in the third picture? What do we need? We need to use a sieve. What is a sieve? Okay, a sieve is a colador, okay? It's like the one that the man has in the first picture. Okay, you don't need to draw the sieve, just complete the pages. Thank you for your attention, and remember we are studying mixtures and solutions, okay? Thank you. You are doing great. You are doing a good job. Send you hugs and congratulations to all the students that have their birthday this week, okay? And congratulations to all the people that have the birthdays in April. I love you, my kids. I send you kisses and my hugs to you. God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye.